Another variation of isolation is the Argo Purge Bag. Now this tool is designed specifically for when you are welding on stainless and you need to use a shielding gas like argon, rather than using rice paper dams and other types of remedial isolation points to be able to create that dam for your shielding gas. You can slide the Argo Purge bags into place, fill them with argon, and then be able to regulate the amount of gas that you are putting in between the two bags to be able to quickly install isolations for shielding gas and to quickly remove them as well. There's a few features on this bag that make it useful. It has Nomex outer bag protection for durability with pull tabs to be able to pull it through the line. It has the flame shield ends, the reflective ends you see in this bag reflect away heat that may be coming from the welding process to the bags. And in between, the sleeve that we have over top of the braided hose is called fire sleeve, and it protects the rubber inside of the braided sleeve from any heat or sparks from the welding process. And the combination of all of those features make it a durable and fantastic tool to speed up productivity and cost effectiveness on your stainless steel welding applications.